Hi, I'm here in the heart of Sandton. I want to talk to you today about live stream events, which has found a home here at the extraordinary Leonardo. Let's show you more. When you use live stream events at the Leonardo for your function or your event, be it live, online, or hybrid, this is the kind of luxury and comfort that your guests can expect. It's the tallest building in Africa, second tallest in the world if you take the altitude into consideration. Behind me are some of the boardrooms here at the Leonardo, and just before you enter our many conference rooms, which is where live stream events is based, you see this incredible work of art by the artist Winston Lutuli, who says, "As I stand in front of this work, I'm reminded that we live in a world of entangled stories and multiple histories." About to go into the conference room now and show you the home of live stream events. Over the past year and a half, online studios have popped up all over the country, all over the world in fact, but very few that can offer you what live stream events at the Leonardo can. They give you the perfect virtual eventing space. Fully equipped studio, complete with a 6-meter by 4-meter stage, a 10 square meter LED wall, which can be used as a backdrop or a green screen, making it possible to transport you to any location around the world. They have sound technicians and cameramen that can meet all your technical needs, and through the live streaming platforms, help connect you your employees, your colleagues, and your clients around the globe. In addition to this, live stream events offer you the opportunity to host a live or a hybrid interactive event. This is something very, very few studios can offer you. At live stream studios, you don't feel like you're sitting in a studio environment, but rather a comfortable venue at a plush hotel, receiving 5-star treatment out there while you're getting world-class technical execution up here. Instead of seeing limitations in this lockdown world, in these difficult times, live stream events see only opportunities. Opportunities to make your event bigger, bolder, better. If you want all of this and a little bit of that human touch as well, contact Live Stream Events. It's the way to go. Go to www.livestreamevents.co.za. Live Stream Events. The possibilities are endless.